I'd like to welcome everyone here this morning. I really appreciate you coming. We wanted to take a few moments to talk about some great news regarding our clinical outcomes here at Conemaugh Memorial Medical Center. And I appreciate everybody being here. I did want to recognize our mayor here from Johnstown, who is joined us this morning along with a whole room full. So really do appreciate it. Each October, HealthGrades, which we're very familiar with, releases their annual Hospital Quality in America report, and that's based on 5,000 reviews of hospitals nationwide. The study looks at 27 different diagnoses and procedures based on mortality and in-hospital complications. Once again, Conemaugh Memorial Hospital Medical Center has reached quality levels that have garnered national attention. We want to share those with you today, and I'm going to ask our Chief Medical Officer for the Conemaugh Health System, Dr. Carlson, to come up and begin that process.
Thank you, everybody, for coming. I'd like to start off with an apology. We try to keep these news conferences kind of short so people don't have to take much time off from work, but we have a lot of awards, so we're going to take more time. Sorry. Anyway, the first award that I'd like to highlight is in cardiac care. And unfortunately, a number of our surgeons or our cardiac physicians are away, so they're not here to accept the award. But when they come back, we're going to have a special ceremony to present them with this award as well. So in cardiac services at Memorial Medical Center, they earned the HealthGrades Coronary Intervention Excellence Award for 2 years in a row, from 2011 to 2012. You might wonder exactly what that means. It means our program is ranked among the top 10% in the nation for coronary interventional procedures and ranked among the top 10 hospitals in Pennsylvania for coronary interventional procedures. And you might say, wow, top 10%, top 10 in Pennsylvania. Well, let me tell you something. There's some really good hospitals in Pennsylvania. You go to Philadelphia, UPMC, we're amongst the best. So that really is an accomplishment and something to be very, very proud of. So I would like, if you would, to bring Sandy Horner and Ron Perchunik up to accept that award in the absence of our physicians. Thank you all for your hard work in helping us attain that. In addition, Conemaugh Memorial's cardiac surgery program has received a 5-star rating for valve surgery for 5 years in a row. Memorial also is 5-star rated for the treatment of heart attack for 2 years in a row. We have plaques that will be displayed throughout these areas, and I would ask for a round of applause for all involved in these areas. And I will say, unfortunately, Dr. Mavridis was down to accept the award, but he had to go up and do some more of his fine work. So at any rate, that's really what they're here for. For the first time ever, Conemaugh has also been named one of America's 100 best hospitals for joint replacement surgery. Our orthopedic program at Conemaugh Memorial has also earned the HealthGrades Joint Replacement Excellence Award for 2 years in a row in 2011 and 2012. It has earned a ranking among the top 5% in the nation for joint replacement for 2 years in a row, also in years 2011 and 2012. They've received a ranking among the top 5 programs in Pennsylvania, and finally, we've received a 5-star rating for total knee and total hip replacement. I'd like to ask Rhonda and Sharon to come up here and accept the award for them. See here, Amy gave me a trick script, right? Our names are over here on the side, and right down here. You can train a doctor to do a lot of things, but to read a piece of paper, no thank you. Okay. Okay, pulmonary care. Conemaugh has received the HealthGrades Pulmonary Care Excellence Award for 4 years in a row, 2009 through 2012. We're ranked among the top 10% in the nation for total overall pulmonary services for 4 years in a row, 2009 through 2012. We're 5-star rated for overall pulmonary services for 4 years in a row, also 2009 through 2012. Lastly, we're 5-star rated for the treatment of COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, pneumonia, pulmonary embolism, and respiratory failure. I'd ask Paul Triano to please come up and accept that award. Our vascular program for 2012 has received a ranking of number 4 in Pennsylvania for overall vascular services. Conemaugh Memorial has also been 5-star rated for repair of abdominal aortic aneurysm for 3 years in a row. Perhaps John Frank or Deb Richards can come up and accept this plaque for us. I am struggling with those names. So we'll see if I can close this out right without making any more mistakes. Our general surgery program is being recognized this year as well. Conemaugh Memorial is the recipient of the HealthGrades General Surgery Excellence Award for 2012. We're ranked among the top 10% in the nation for general surgery in 2012. We're ranked number 4 in Pennsylvania for general surgery in 2012. And we've been ranked as a 5-star hospital for the treatment of bowel obstruction and cholecystectomy. The General Surgery Excellence Award comes with a trophy this year, so I'd ask Dr. Lee Miller, the chairman of the Department of Surgery, to come up and accept this award. Steve, thank you.
Thanks, Dave. We do also want to mention that our maternity program is among the top 5% in the nation, and that recognition was relayed a few months ago. And recently, our home health program once again received recognition by Home Care Elite. Conemaugh Home Health has been nationally recognized 6 years in a row now as a Home Care Elite agency. That reputation is based, among other things, on quality of care as well as quality improvement. These numerous awards and recognitions are great, but we really feel that the value of participating and receiving those awards are for an organization like us on what we can learn from the data. I would like to ask Gene Rarick, who's our Executive Director of Performance Excellence and Quality, to come forward to provide a brief explanation of how we do use this data when we receive it along with these awards. Gene?
Congratulations to our healthcare team for the numerous recipients of these awards. We use our internal data as well as benchmark data from HealthGrades as well as other sources to continually improve the care that we provide to our patients. This data is now going to be made available concurrently by partnering with decision support, information systems, our clinicians, and all of our healthcare team to continuously strive to improve these work processes. By using these methodologies, our clinicians can continue to identify next steps in our processes to provide care and to continue to drive excellence every patient, every time. Thank you.
So if you'd all look in the back of the room, you're going to see the fastest surgeon on the planet. Dr. Mavridis has returned, so I'd ask him to come up and accept the Valve Surgery Award. Thank you, Sam.
Obviously, achieving results like you've seen today take great effort on everyone's part throughout the entire organization. Clearly, the physicians, nursing, the lab, pharmacy, operating room, therapists, and the list goes on and on. It really takes everybody within the organization to be able to achieve clinical results like you've seen today, and that's what we're here for. We're a healthcare organization. So on behalf of the board and administration, we would like to offer our sincere thank you to everyone that's here and everyone that wasn't able to be here in terms of helping us achieve our commitment of excellence every patient, every time. So again, thank you for coming and helping us really achieve high clinical performance at Conemaugh. Thank you.